Last time I was out in this area, Copperhead that came out from that shed. Right now I'm currently at Hope Mills Golf Course. It used to be a golf course back here a couple years ago, and they closed it down, and now they opened it up to the public for people to use as a walking trail. So what I'm gonna do is look for some ponds here on this golf course. All right, I'm at the designated fishing area. Right now I'm using red worms. I like using red worms because, you know, if you have night crawlers, you got to keep them on ice or keep them really cool, or else they're gonna get real lethargic and die out. But with red worms, they stay alive a lot longer. Last time I was out in this area, Copperhead that came out from that shed, and my friend was actually gonna pick up his rod, and the snake was right next to the rod. It was pretty sketch. Luckily they cut down all, right here used to be straight weeds. There we go, getting a bite right now. See if I can't let him run and hook him. Yep, there we go. Oh, he got off. That's a good sign. Maybe they're stacked over here by the shade area. Here goes another bite. Yeah, it's a real small one, but you know what? I'll take it. Nice colors on them. Just let them back. You'd be surprised in a little pond like this that's been untouched for so long, how it can have fish. Not many people fish it, so it's the best part. It'd be crazy if there'd be some big bass in here. Highly doubt it, but it would be awesome. There we go. Goes a bluegill right there. Oh, actually, that's a flyer. Wow, I thought it fought pretty hard for what it was, and as you can see, that's a beautiful fish right there. See you later, dude. Whoa, I got something good on right now. Swimming towards the shore. Come on. Whoa, what is it? What is it? Oh, he's swimming straight down. Oh, it's a largemouth. Okay, nice. Woo-wee. That's what I was looking to catch. Definitely put up a good fight, especially for this ultralight rod. Barely hooked him. Whew. Nice fish. See you later, dude. Oh, had a fish on, didn't even know it. I didn't feel him bite. And, oh, is that another flyer? Just a regular old bluegill. Some red eyes. All right, see you later, dude. Sun's about to set here pretty soon. Yo, this is my boy Braden right here. What's up, man? Man, we got like, what, 30 minutes to the sunset, maybe less.
You can get some good casts right out here.
Mm-hmm.
Wide open.
You don't want to go for it?
No, I'm gonna get over there.
Okay, appreciate it.
Path, but you need some boots.
Oh, gotcha. I like the sign that says keep out.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is abandoned. That's why there's so much vegetation out here. Oh yeah? Braden got his first fish. Let's see what you got, bro. You stuck on the weeds?
Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah. That's what's up, dude. Then I'm back.
Come up and take it. No, I was about to just pop him back out.
Absolutely. Hey, good catch, bro.
Thanks, man.
Oh, they got some big panfish in here, man. Pretty good size.
This is a nice one.
Yeah. See you later, dude. Oh, what is that? Man, this one's fighting hard. Oh, okay. Yo, no wonder he felt so big. He was like stuck on some weeds. Wow. Look at the forehead on that thing, man. They get big in here, man.
Dude, that's a big one.
They get big in here. That's like, that's
nice
eating
one.
size,
That
dog.
is
That's eating size, bro. Man, look at that.
That's a big bluegill.
Yeah.
That forehead is crazy, bro.
Yeah, it is. It's a bluegill? Bluegill? Yep.
Let me take a picture. Nice one. You got a pounder, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Insane. Come here, girl.
Oh my goodness, another one. Yo. Another one. This is a bass, small one. Little dink, man.
Dude, that's a bass?
Yeah. Man, that's crazy. Yo, they're stacked on this side. See you later, dude. There goes another fish. See if he's still on. Yep. Hey, Braden. Another one. Slaying him. See you later, dude. Another fish on. Oh. This is insane. Back to back. Back to back. Back to back. Yes. Yes, sir. See you later, dude. It's prime time, baby. It's prime time, baby. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yo, this one's like twirling around like a catfish would. Oh, it's a bass. Okay. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Perfect hook set. Woo!
This is a pretty one.
It is.
They're looking good, man.
And they're eating, I don't know what they're eating, but
Sharp teeth.
yeah.
Sharp, man.
Real sharp teeth. I'm gonna give him this little snack.
Dude, you're killing it, bro.
Thanks, man. You don't want to come down this way?
Nah, man, you got it?
You sure? Dude, I'm having so much fun.
Hey, what's the fishing spot without somebody to share it with?
Hey, appreciate it, bro. That's a good dude right there. Yes, got another one. Didn't even know he was on. Oh, wow. Yo, this is what you're talking about, the hybrids.
Is that a hybrid?
Yeah,
It's beautiful, ain't it?
it is. How big was the one you got?
Man, I don't know. It was as big as probably that one big sunfish you got.
Dang, that junk is crazy.
They're pretty, aren't they?
Yeah, it's a pretty fish. Man, I think we'll eat some minnows up. See you later, dude. Oh, nice. Oh, he spit it. Felt like a bass was on there. See if he'll come back for it. Oh, got him again. Same fish, yep. Same bass. Came back for it. Yes, sir. Let's try to land him. Nice. It's a pretty fish right there. See you later, dude. There we go. Fish on. It's another hybrid. Just hanging in that corner. See you later, dude. Yo, try this side, man.
Dude, you're slaying them.
Slaying them, man. Sometimes that live bait would do the justice. Oh, really? Yo, I thought I had the chain pickerel, but I got a bass on right now. Yeah. Off a worm. That was sick, man. The live worm. Just straight out right here in the weeds. Man, this is crazy.
I knew if I brought you here, you'd kill it, man.
I appreciate it.
I love it, bro.
Thanks, man.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.